Zoop! Today we're looking at this pistol adapter for the Quest 3. If you love shooting games like I do, like Pistol Whip on the Quest 3, you're probably looking at adapters to make it feel more realistic. Unfortunately, this is not, and I hate giving bad reviews, but this is pretty bad. It's held together by magnetic. You got two of them. Go ahead and open it up. I don't know what this thing is. It feels like a vinyl sticker, so who knows how long this thing will last. Pop your controller in. Lock it up. And there you go. Snap the barrel back on. The problem with this thing is that it's being held together at an angle. I don't know if you can tell, but here we go. I'm actually holding it straight, like a normal gun. But you can see that this thing is tilted towards an angle to the left, and it's rotated more towards the left. Very awkward. I feel really awful giving bad reviews. That's why I rarely do it in my channel, but this thing has got to be the worst product I've ever bought. Honestly, if you have a 3D printer, the best thing you should do is 3D print an adapter like this. Let me show you. All you have to do is pop this side out, slide it back in, slide the 3D printed part in, and you're good to go. With this adapter, it makes you feel like you're holding a real gun because it bulges out more and it's much more firm. If you know anything that's better than this, please let me know, because I've yet to find anything that's better that feels like a real gun. I've been playing around with Beat Saber to get a good workout, but recently I find Pistol Whip is even better, especially in hard mode and wielding two guns at the same time. It's crazy, it's awesome. If you're gonna buy it, use the special link down below to save yourself 20 to 25% off. Don't pay the full price of like $30 or something like that, like I did. Okay, hopefully this video helps you avoid buying this pistol adapter. It's so bad, it's ridiculous. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.